Japan just got rocked hard. A 7.7 magnitude earthquake slammed off the northeast coast of Japan today. Tsunami warnings went out immediately. People ran, trains stopped, cities froze. Waves, smaller than feared, around 80 centimeters. Not the 3 meters officials warned about. Over 100,000 plus evacuated across the region. So far, no major deaths reported. That's the big headline. But here's the part that matters. Experts say this quake just raised the risk of a bigger one. Yeah. A potential mega-quake. Same region as the 2011 Tohoku earthquake and tsunami. Japan's on alert, hoping for the best. This story, not over yet.